Hey traders, hope everyone's having a fantastic day, evening, morning, afternoon, wherever you're watching this in the world. So, look, USDCAD and the AUDUSD I actually took on the hourly entries. That's why the lot sizing is a little bit small. I was on the phone. I sort of made a call and I've just sort of taken it. So obviously it is on the AxiTrader account. What will have to happen here is two options. I have an Oanda account where I can set exact. It's smaller than micro lots, so I can uh, take exact units. So they're called units, they're even smaller than the lots. So that's probably what I'll do, and I can, exact size. So these are really small because I was just like, you know what, I'm just going to go 0.01. I shouldn't even be trading this account because at some points, if I have wider stops, a 0.01 actually will be more than 2% of the account. But here it is. Here's my USD CAD buy trade. I took this also on the Oanda account as well. So the Oanda account's been running live for the whole year. It's like just $500 or so. Got up to nearly 550. So, but that's, the money to me, I could add a lot more, but it's more, I just want this first year to establish myself psychologically, and then we'll go from there. So that's the USD CAD entry. If the Aussie dollar, I might add to this a little bit as well because there's really not a lot of risk on. I'll probably add another 0.2 lots. To be fair, because this looks like there's some potential here. So I might do that. Obviously, it's not to the exact rules, but it's sort of real world stuff. I couldn't get the computer. I saw it, and I'm like, you know what? I am going to take this, and I'm going to adapt to the situation. I felt okay. I was well rested and everything like that when it comes to my journal entries, which I'll do soon. But yeah, that is the situation. So those are the two trades. Let's go to the Aussie dollar. So the Aussie dollar was made earlier today, and as you can see, there it is. So I got in, and I had the stop set up here at the 55-day on the hourly. So I did. I sort of tweaked it a little bit just to see what it was like. Normally I do 4 hourly, so I just thought, you know what, let's just it broke down pretty nicely, and I got executed pretty nice, bang on here on the low, and it's collapsed, and we'll see what happens. Obviously, there is some support down at 73.30, so we'll see what happens. Now, in regards to other setups as well, we'll have the pound. Ooh, the pound is looking pretty sweet. Alright, so the stop would be up here at 1.33492. We'll zoom out, go to the daily. We'll go to the line graph. We'll zoom out some more. The weekly. Okay, so I have drawn in the support and resistance. I'll go to the daily though, because originally I drew this for daily time frame trading, but I've actually accustomed myself to trading lower time frames. Like I've even trickled down in the hourly, and I don't mind that, to be honest. I really don't. I'll still have a longer term trade portfolio account present, but I'm just trialing this, like that's I enjoy to experiment in regards to strategies. So, all right, now what I look for is it's got to have a good 4 solid touches to be a level. Now this is actually 130. 130 is a point of interest here now. So that's really, to me, the next support level because it's a sell. But this is really looking like a potential. Risk is low on my other positions, so I could probably sell this. And on the Oanda account, I think it's moved 1% in my favor already on the Aussie dollar, so I'll move to break even, and I will. You've just got to be ready. This whole month has been nothing. If you do follow the channel, thank you. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell. I do, I put videos out regularly, but, especially Monday to Friday, I feel like I want to update my subscribers, and I hope it helps. I will be day trading as well. I've funded an IG account, So we'll see. We'll see what that's like. It's going to be $1,000, and it's not going to be all the time that I trade, but I will be dabbling in some day trading of US stocks. To be honest, I've looked at the ASX lower price stuff. Obviously, with $1,000, I'm not going to be buying high price stocks because that's just senseless. But I will, the lower price stocks just didn't move as much, and it was terrible volume and volatility. But look, just right here, if that closed like that, that's an entry. That's an entry. That's fine by me. So yes, indeed. And I'll take 0.01 lots because that's a little bit there. That's 188 pips. So we'll zoom out, and that's what we're looking at, guys. So that's pretty nice. There's some congestion there, but it's just choppy, and there's a lot of space to the left. That's some time since it was around there. So I'm very interested in this currently for a sell trade, guys. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.